Whakalofalea and hello, welcome to the new subscribers. We're here at St. Heliers with my bro Hayden. Hey. It's what's happening today, bro?
Oh, we're here for to hang out with the fams because my two kids, David turned 12 on Saturday and it's Lily's 3rd birthday today. So we're just gonna have a few pizzas and cold drinks at St. Heliers Beach.
Yeah, St. Heliers, this is our local, what is Tawa? This is our Tawa, our Moana. Yeah, we're from the upper heights of GI and St. Heliers is the Moana of, yeah, so good day, it's pretty busy, the tide is high. Nah, all good. Yeah, just talking about the vid with the bro Alnez, Easy Eats with Al. If you haven't seen it, check it out.
Yeah.
But yeah,
we're following Alnez, inspired by his YouTube videos.
Yo.
So we've been exercising at home and for our physical health, and now we're hanging out at the beach for our mental health and well-being, and this helps keep the blood pressure down.
Yeah, gotta keep the mental health up. Okay guys, I'm just gonna do a bit of exercise before I eat, so I want to burn some calories, some press-ups. Now I'm going to do some squats.
That's cheese. Pizza time.
Finally, after a good swim, there was some pizza. Get my calories off because of all the calories I burned in the water. Now we eat our pizza, we eat all the cheese, leave the crust. Right, this is my older sister, she's the head of the house. Some words of what head over at school. Head over at school.
Okay.
Head at that. Yeah. No. Sorry. Let me read this. This is Mr. Valle. He's the head of the house.
Head of the house, yeah.
But he, yeah. So, my apologies.
St. Heliers to celebrate David's 12th birthday and Lily's 3rd birthday today. So thank you to Hayden, Lily for inviting us. So there's Dixon here, Christopher, Juliana, Peter, myself, and Daughters on his way. Happy birthday, guys!
Happy birthday! Niue now.
yeah, go away.
Happy birthday, David and Lily. We hope you have a great birthday and thank you for the food. It's really nice and we're at the beach. See this view and yeah, thank you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, David. I hope you have a good day. I love the beach, doing this at the beach. And bye.
What? Go, son.
Happy birthday, David and Whoa, try get inside.
Good sized pizzas,
It's so much pink.
David, any last words for today?
Oh, thank you for coming, guys. So, good luck to my family, to my dad, Hayden, and Hannah. Did a good job. Thank you for coming. And yeah, for this.
Thank you, Dave. And that's it. Tune in next time. Don't forget to leave a comment, subscribe.